Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple, and today I am actually gonna have a project share for you today. I wanted to show you what I've been working on, and so I've been working on a paper purse. Now I know I have my paper purse tutorial on one of my videos on my channel. You can look for it there. But I wanted something a little bit bigger and a little bit more detail on it. So I have made this paper purse. I put in a little bit more detail in this one. I followed Gabby's purse tutorial from Craftiella Designs. I'll go ahead and link that one on the bottom in the description box so that you can follow her tutorial so that you can make a purse just like this. So I did use the Maggie Holmes Bloom collection, and I made it in this pretty aqua mint color, and I did some hand stitching. I have a sewing machine, but I have not been able to use it, which I probably should start practicing on it, but soon. I went ahead and put these little jemmies on here, and I did put some jemmies on the bottom so that when you put it down, it has a little place to put it on. So I put in the little strap, and I did sew the strap in by hand as well, and I made my own buckle. The inside is lined also with another coordinating paper, and I did put in a little Velcro so that you can actually put stuff in it, and I plan to put this as a decor item on my shelf. I've usually, all the stuff that I actually do, all my 3D items, I actually gift them to my pen pal or to friends as gifts, and so I never get to keep anything of mine, so I went ahead and did this for myself. Gabby did a really good job on her tutorial. She shows you all the steps how to make the pocket. So there's a pocket in here, there's a pocket on the sides, if you can see there, and there's another pocket on this side. And I just love the stitching. So so yeah, I had lots of fun making this paper purse. I'm also thinking I'm working on a tutorial for a wallet. Now for my pen pal, I did a wallet sometime last year, and I sent her the only one that I made, so I had a hard time trying to remember how I made mine. But it kind of looks like this, so I had it coordinating with this paper, with the Bloom collection, and I did make a charm. I made a little dangle with a star and a little tassel, and it matches exactly with this, with the paper. I did a little closure there, and go ahead and open it up. And so I have a picture here, and then I have places to put ephemera pieces. So you could probably use this like for Happy Mail, to send Happy Mail in. I have cards here to put in here, just like a regular wallet. And on this side, you'd put your bills, or in my case, more cards to put in as Happy Mail. And you could probably fill it with all kinds of different goodies. But this is just what I did. I have this little picture. I'm not sure. I mean, I decorated, I liked the way it came out, and you know how your wallets have like a little picture enclosure in your wallet? So I was trying to do something like that, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to adhere this to the back right here, and then just so that it pulls out like this. That would look super cute too. But I didn't know if I wanted to cover this picture right here, because I actually like, you know, seeing that picture in there. I personalized it because actually this is the one that I'm keeping for myself, but I'm thinking of making a tutorial. If you're interested, I can make a tutorial for you guys, and I can show you how to make one of your own. So I'm debating if I wanted to adhere it here, or if I just want to just stick it in right here. So these are two functional pockets. And so I just decorated it lightly right there. You put the little 3x4 cards there, and you just close it up like this, and the little Velcro strap and the little dangle. So I'm so excited. I really like how this turned out. I left this sort of plain just because I just didn't do much decoration on this one, so I wanted it to match. So I left it as is. But you could probably decorate it with all sorts of stuff. So if you're interested, let me know. Shoot me a comment in the comments if you'd like me to show you how I made this paper wallet. It's super cute. I do have a wallet die, and I could show you that. I can film a video how I put that together, and that's fairly easy. But this is I actually made on my own. Made my own measurements, put everything together. So if you're interested, let me know. I can certainly make a tutorial for you guys to make your own little wallet. So join me in the next video, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.